The Ferrari Portofino is the new V8 GT set to dominate its segment thanks to a perfect combination of outright performance and versatility in addition to a level of driving pleasure and onboard comfort unparalleled on the market. Capable of unleashing a massive 600 CV and sprinting from 0 to 200 km per hour in just 10.8 seconds, the Ferrari Portofino is the most powerful convertible to combine the advantages of a retractable hardtop, a roomy boot and generous cockpit space complete with 2 rear seats suitable for short trips. The new car, which takes its name, Portofino, from one of the most charming villages on the Italian Riviera, an eponym for stylish elegance, is the most versatile model in the range. A Ferrari designed to be driven every day that also effortlessly converts from an authentic Berlinetta coupe to a drop-top capable of delivering a unique Ferrari soundtrack and superb driving pleasure even in day-to-day situations. The retractable hardtop, RHT, has been completely redesigned and can now be opened or closed in just 14 seconds on the move at lower speeds, making the car even more practical. Careful modeling of the RHT housing now allows the luggage compartment to hold 2 cabin trolleys with the roof down and 3 with the roof up. Ideal for any occasion, the Ferrari Portofino represents the perfect combination of design, performance, and technology. The Ferrari Portofino is significantly lighter with the adoption of new components featuring innovative designs made possible by the use of cutting-edge production techniques. This, combined with a 40 CV higher power output than the California T, has resulted in a significant hike in performance and a corresponding drop in emissions. Vehicle dynamics benefit from the introduction, for the first time on this model, of electric power steering, the third-generation electronic differential, eDiff3, and the latest evolution of the electronic suspension control system, SCME, integrated with premium 9.1 ESP engine. Starting with the V8 power unit, which has won the outright International Engine of the Year award for 2 consecutive years in 2016 and 2017, Ferrari's engineers worked on several different fronts to deliver a power output of 600 CV at 7,500 RPM, the equivalent of 156 CV/L, introducing new mechanical components as well as specific engine management software. Maximum mechanical efficiency is guaranteed by the use of high-resistance aluminium alloy pistons and con rods with innovative geometries and specially shaped high-tumble intake manifolds. Combustion is optimized across the engine's rev range by an ion sensing system with adaptive ignition and multi-spark functionality. Losses in the intake have been reduced by new more linear high and low pressure air ducts, while the all-new exhaust system benefits from a single-piece exhaust header. Mechanical efficiency is further optimized by a variable displacement oil pump that reduces hydraulic power requirements by up to 30% compared to a conventional pump. The adoption of a new intercooler to simultaneously minimize fluid dynamic losses and increase air cooling also contributes to the engine's performance. The Portofino's engine continues Ferrari's zero turbo lag tradition, with instantaneous throttle response in under 1 second. This is the direct result of the adoption of innovative solutions such as a flat plane crankshaft, which, with its compact size and lower rotating mass, improves fluid dynamics, compact turbines with a low moment of inertia, and twin-scroll technology that reduces the interference between the exhaust pulses from different cylinders and increases the pressure, and a single cast exhaust manifold with equal length pipes to optimize the pressure waves. The Ferrari Portofino features variable boost management, a control software developed by Ferrari that adjusts torque delivery to suit the gear selected. As the car goes up through the gears, from 3rd to 7th, the amount of torque delivered by the engine increases all the way up to 760 Nm. This has allowed Ferrari to adopt longer gear ratios in the higher gears, which helps keep fuel consumption and emissions down on the one hand, while adopting different torque curves through the rev range in the lower gears for a feeling of strong, continuous pickup.